send a rich immigrant for your device, you know, a dance man, Ballandor boss. I mean, I say Ocean Waves. I mean, I say Calgary, Alberta. You know, it's 7th of June, everybody just make it a late and don't be date. Go for the bag, we never fumble. 3, 9.
Yeah, hear me? One thing me have to tell you. A Dan Biggs podcast. I me tell you something about the body.
No, big up Dan Biggs, you know, shit, because you're on a top rank in the east side, so you know,
What we represent, I'm representing Dan Biggs. You get me? I say not Biggs Dan, you know. Yeah. But we got Biggs Dan see away. Dan Biggs, podcast, mad.
So, welcome to another episode of the Dan Biggs podcast. You know, so from the start of the podcast, every other podcast last. You understand? We're for the people, we're for the culture, and we have to represent music and dancer. You understand? Yeah. This week on the episode, Rich Immigrant family. You understand?
Yeah, man.
They might come promote the party, Ocean Waves, and so therefore, our duty to put it to the street.
Said we.
You understand? Well, Javi, welcome to the platform.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Chapo, welcome to the platform. You know, the first time I go to someone and then I party and I play, a dad come to me and say, yo, big up Rich Immigrant. It's about last year? I think last year. A year before.
Last year, man.
Yeah. And I say, big up Rich Immigrant family. And I say, a big money me starting forward. Me I say, I like, you don't like that team, yeah?
Yeah.
Say, that team, yeah, come out and spend money.
Said
you understand what I say?
No joke.
I think the party are one of the most, if not the most anticipated party for the year.
Them a wait for the man.
Yeah, whole heap of people.
Been a put in the work, you know.
Whole heap of advertisement too. Whole heap of marketing.
So we have to do that, man.
Yeah, because you see you're well connected, my bro.
That is it, man.
So more you tell the people them what them are gonna expect, what different at a party.
You know, it's a different door. You sit down, because you don't know. In every business you do, you have to do your homework, you know. Out there and been, I watch everything when I go on. Did you really want one water party still outside? Because you don't know the name, Ocean Wave.
Yeah.
You see me? But record it's an indoor event. But nothing wrong said way. I do it in a different style, you know? Everybody fall out and can enjoy themselves said way. Yeah, man.
So the event will be a event a bit spoken about, people that talk about it.
Talk about it, man, year to year, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we love that.
And not just this year and then just drop so.
I know I love the event and I have. Because of the first it I really do.
Yeah.
And I have nothing, no stigma behind it, no nothing at all. It's just pure and organic and everybody has support it. I say, I'll promote when a deal. Two of them are share the flyer. I say, yo, blood clot, what a unity.
Yeah,
and that we like.
You don't see how we roll a road.
Yeah, man. No mix up, nothing like that. Just realness. I love that, my bro.
Yeah, man. That right.
You understand what I say? So, my sister status step on the building.
Yeah, status step on it, man.
Fire Steeny step on it.
Fire stick Steeny. Yeah, man. Hard Rock International said we.
Bad setup I go on in a bad segment I go on in.
Right, man.
You see me?
Right.
Bad segment I go on. The thing I look forward for here. Me personally, me know status them, you know.
Yeah.
Me know status now, I make nobody come in and them one turn and run around them. So me know say, yo, status them have something planned. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Likewise, Steeny is a sure shot. Me never say Steeny go out and miss it.
Miss.
It's like how some selectors go out and have a good night.
Yeah.
Steeny always have a good night.
Yeah.
You understand? And you say Hard Rock have a wicked chemistry.
Said we.
So Chris Rock and think that, yo, me I tell you, it a mad.
Yeah, man.
Me I look forward to it.
It's a must, man.
Me I look forward. Which sound has string up itself?
You know, say status we are using.
Status sound itself. Just okay.
Yeah.
So what do you food and anything at the event?
You know, it's a Chef King though.
Yeah, you can cook, you know.
Bad chef, man.
Man, make a potato salad, the blood. Yo, remind me of Jamaica. You ever go to Jamaica and there at the restaurant on the roadside? Yeah. Me not talk about a high-end uptown restaurant. Me not talk about
roast them and saltfish.
I saw the dog cook and I say, yo, me excited for him. I tell him to make him name in the city.
We are doing it, man.
Can
I
make
like
him
his
name
strength to you show about the first time as a link. You
After. I said,
and
no
then
man.
Soji to said we.
Yeah, bad chef too.
Bad chef.
But the man can fry plant. So to make of yourself.
Alright.
Yeah, man, we're excited for the party, man. You understand me? I'm glad you're up on the platform, you know. All in all, I think, I mean, I'm going to do some farmer hosting to some extent for you at the show.
Sure, yeah, man.
You understand?
Yes,
And
must.
I just mostly what I'm gonna do for the show is stage management and make sure say the show run smooth.
Properly.
So the show you gonna run smooth upon a professional level because you know so from me touch it, with selector for go on the time, I go on the time there. Or close the show.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? I'm gonna work in a unison because at the end of the day we play for the patrons. I want people to enjoy themselves.
Yeah.
And it's not about just music alone, it's about ambience to how the place look. Because the place look, get a vibe to you know. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The place look, get a vibe to chop up. My name say you have a special panel. A good price them upon the thing I'm say.
Yeah, man.
I see I have a thing name like Indian Ocean.
Yeah, man. So nice smallest ocean that there.
So if I me want go make a whole Indian Ocean.
I said
Indian Ocean like a one premium buckle.
Yeah, man.
2 ticket or something like that.
2 ticket, yeah, man.
Yeah, so the man them who now what the big ocean, the Pacific.
Pacific, man.
If you can't go Pacific Ocean, you can go Indian Ocean. You get your one buckle. Pacific Ocean hour.
Eh? 6 bills, man.
6 bills. That no bad. Boy, let me tell you something. I pinch piece of the idea there, you know.
We have to,
It's bad, you know.
We have to do your research, man.
It's bad.
Ocean wave, you know.
Yeah. So you have Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, our next one,
man.
Atlantic Ocean.
Aye.
Atlantic Ocean, which one?
Eh? 4 bills at the man.
One in between.
Okay, in between. But you know, I'm gonna show you how people move. A man say, alright, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean is a small one. So that's how much for that?
2 bills.
2 bills. Now, watch out now. Normally, you pay $30 for going to a party.
Yeah.
You got a bar, let's say you drink $40 or $50.
Yeah.
That's $80. And I better you better just put together bills.
And buy one Indian
Ocean bed. I know, so you're good for you. You want to go to the quarter?
You could get all the Indian in our party.
Our First Nation. Yeah, man, I say something for government. So, for me, bro, I said the platform now where people welcome to know so them can forward and talk about them event and them thing there. Yeah. And know so you really and truly I do it for your culture, we do it for everybody. Yeah. You understand what I say? Yeah. We promote everybody because we promote the culture upon our own and everybody move forward. You understand what I say? So yeah, man, so like right now, you know, so KMT there, Steel Peace Thursday, them do for them things same way. You know what I mean? Chef King said we. You understand? Tomorrow Friday, so everybody do them thing, bro. Like that. Everybody do them thing and everybody the space that are big enough for every man can get along, bro, and make them money.
Yeah, man.
You understand what I say? Yeah, man.
No fight, no
fight unnecessary.
Piece of cake, man.
Everybody get piece of cake.
Yeah, man.
But I mean, I tell you though, like, remember when me forward and I come out with Sound Extreme Sound? Yeah. It was the fastest rising sound. Yeah. And this is the fastest rising party I ever seen. We never see so much people excited about a party. You understand what I say?
Believe, man.
You have signature party in the thing, you know. You have like party with this time is a busy party, that's a signature party people look forward to. Yeah. You have Bikers Invasion at a Dre party, people look forward to. You understand what I say? You have certain party where people look forward to. You feel like this is going to be one nice stable party that people look forward to. Man. So just for the traction I say so far, as a person who in the entertainment sector, me want to tell you congratulations, bro. Yeah, a long time I see so much ads do.
Yeah, man.
For one party, a whole promotion. People come out now.
We are so see them, man. So
yeah, man.
We are look forward to reap reward them, you know. Yeah, man, we go out there.
So people, remember, if you're not a whole heap of money, you and your friend just make up and buy an Indian Ocean.
Indian Ocean, man.
A whole heap of Indian Ocean, I go say.
Probably can get all our Indian to full package, man.
Yeah, that's the thing there. You understand what I say?
Package deal I done Friday.
Okay, package deal done Friday. Man. And then
normal pre.
When you go in a party, so different. How much I do?
$30.
$30 I do. That no bad. That no bad. And people know about that beer. I'm gonna tell you something.
Early party, man. Day and night.
Day and night.
Day and night, man.
Day and night party.
Yeah.
Alright, so come out. You don't have to come. You don't have to think about you have no whole heap of thousands of dollars to spend. If you have 2 bills,
forward.
Indian Ocean.
Welcome.
I have how much you food? $30?
$25.
$25 chicken and then they probably 20 whatever.
Aye.
Fish guy those are ocean.
Yeah, man. Fish all day.
Yeah, everything after that.
Swim around. And then why we, you know.
Well, now tell you to blood clot. Me too old, you know, man. Me too old. God, let me sit there wire X and Z and
every letter I have.
Yo, alright. This sidebar, but may I ask you this? Which song you feel like I get the biggest crowd in your party? Remember you link with artists, I know you get on the show with the call down here.
Every tune you drop, man. And you don't know.
Me can't wait till Massacre new song drop. But me don't say yeah wait. Me can't anytime you drop me get say indoor or outdoor because I want the outdoor. I don't want to show the people them see it.
Anytime Jamal drop, man, we can vote right now.
Jamal, I know nothing normal.
Aye.
Yo, let me tell you a thing. You see, first time you hear Jamal,
Yeah.
a man have confidence in his voice.
Bad.
All right, well, I know you have some man I tell you about badness in him. I look at him and I say, oh, what that post? I will read.
I know.
Oh, so he want bad voice note and he memorize it and come out and he feel like him bad. You understand?
That's tough, man.
So you
Nah,
hear
right.
it and you get some. Let me tell you why me give Jamal respect as an artist.
Yeah.
Him bad, lyrically, but him intelligent.
Intelligent.
If you listen to how him putting words together,
Yeah.
yeah, and you know, I listen to this. Him say, yo, big bumbo clad client in my iPhone. And when me call and I dial tone. Remember now, you know, him still use the phone and play upon the words for 2 line, you know.
Yeah.
Me make $1 million fast. You understand what I say? But I show you how me know say that really a chop.
Yeah.
You see when the dog say, yo, when the food reach up, like I say,
Wow, you ever clear.
and when the man say, yo, the runner can't joke.
When the money reach Orlando, man.
Yeah, the money.
Go joke.
When me hear the man start talk about Ajax and them place, me I say, Bumbuckler, you know, so everybody are really a chat. Because guess what happen now? Everybody who know about Canada talk about Toronto, you know about Ajax.
Yeah, man.
So me I say, blood clot, you
That's
talking, you know?
some place, man. That's Anthony runner and a monkey, man.
Yo, and a joke, man. You might chat some sitting better when a normal. Me I tell you.
So they're creative and put them together.
When him go, na capping a dog.
They don't say no.
Yo,
Yeah,
when I tell you have a talk, you know, when I say no, you must say yo. Like you must say yo. Brother, you can't follow me, you know. I remember well, but you must say like, you must say yo, you can't follow me. Because phone badness, phone chopping a joke thing.
That tough, man. That do it for real, man. You don't know.
Me still, you know that's a Jamal still. But Massacre my artist.
Yeah.
I mean, know so when you dropping a party to blood clot a murder.
No wrong, man. We have place for everybody.
Yeah, man.
We have place for everybody, man.
So status me I tell you now. Hard rock me I tell you now.
Fire sticks.
Speedy me I tell you now. We're gonna take that show ya. Because alright, they say oh me I gonna vote the party now. It's not based upon selectors. Now
Audience.
Audience.
Yeah, man.
Who all them enjoy themselves.
Yeah, man.
From start to finish.
That is it.
I want the people them forward out early to because we are go full joy ourselves.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, for them sure.
We do it for them, man. As I say, for people, them we do it for, no?
I know it's a good money spent, but I show you.
Holy it, man.
I know it's a good money spent to put a show you. You understand?
We've been spending on the street.
None.
The people in seat.
Last time I see I came to the dog, so Dan Biggs, what you drink? I mean, I say, yo, me are easy, man, say I'm mad. I ain't see that you come. Upstairs, buckle upon buckle. I say, what the blood? We couldn't have a run left for no.
I know, joking.
But they can't run left for no, man. I can't manage to roll up drinking like one time. Man.
That's how you go, man.
But
you're real youth in the street.
Yes,
so
man.
You don't know, you have to
Yes,
show your love,
man.
said you
Yes,
see him
man.
like how you show, you know?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
I want to say, you know, do it, bro. And for your first party, people really excited.
Yeah, man.
I want not to chat no more, but people really excited. And we enthused for see a party. We know it's a shot, bro.
You know.
The shot already.
Shot.
So we just want to say, yo, we want nice vibes. Come out clean. Ocean waves, the way you want, wear your shots. Whatever, anything just
man,
come out
we
clean.
have, man.
Where we have.
Aye.
You understand what I say? If you have a smart one up, no, we're not borrowing nobody clothes. Just where we have. You understand what I say?
We know they're excited before, man, but
They say,
we have.
where we have. I got nobody gonna spend all the money buy beer clothes and come tell up in a party, bro.
Just-
No. Keep some of money in your pocket because spend and enjoy yourself. You
Yeah,
understand? Because that's buy a shirt.
If I even
Then
in man, at summertime.
I want to you, man. I only but time release them things.
Ocean wave.
One new shirt on them. That is it.
I like that.
And I hate that. So people, that is it. There's a Javi. Mad thing, my bro.
Mad thing, man.
Mad thing, chap.
Yeah, man, I do it. We are do it, man, for the street, you know? The people, them.
It's a good vibe. It's a
Yeah,
good
man,
look.
it's a good look.
So June what?
7, man. 2
June
days
7.
from now,
2
man.
days from now. Saturday.
Yeah, man. June 7.
So like food and them thing already from early. What time you think the venue have a set up?
You know, it's at 2 o'clock we get 2 o'clock the venue is set up.
From 2 p.m. in the day.
2 p.m.
To what time to go?
Sharp. Till 2.
Till 2 till
You
2.
know, say people have to fall out early.
Alright,
You
from
see
2
me?
to 2. Because we get a
man,
fight on the
come
venue
show
them
love.
from
Yeah,
what
man,
day.
that I go on. Yeah, bro. So.
You want to disclose the venue now? Not yet?
No, man. Not
Venue
yet.
to be announced then.
To be announced.
Oh
man.
no. See?
Yeah.
Give thanks. We out.
Love.
Yeah, man. Smooth and nice. Good, Jimmy.
Everybody up, yeah, give them a update. Everybody up, love you look, yeah, give them a update. What me do?